Who am I? Where am I from? What am I pitching? Good evening, fam. My name is Ndabazezwe Mncube. And much like the rest of you, I'm an avid entrepreneur. From the cliche of selling sweets in primary school, washing cars, cleaning pools, to manufacturing industrial-grade uniforms and selling feminine hygiene products. Most importantly, since high school, I've run a comfortable IT firm providing support services for SMMEs. Right? And in the last 2 years, we've been working on the Zap factory. Now, basically, the Zap factory, we've taken the efficiencies of a factory floor and some modern innovations from Russian teenagers, and it's allowed us to create a process that we can speedily make web services available for SMMEs at a price that isn't as insulting to your cash flow as what we have available today. From our 199 Rand websites to our partnering program for app development. Today I want to tell you about one of those apps, Super Shopper. Is it a price comparison app? Is it a discount app? Is it a grocery list app? No, it's all of the above and more. Super Shopper is the smart way shop, the new way to shop, the only way to shop. And it's very simple. You get the app, you load all your grocery items into the app, and you let the magic happen. Now, just to summarize quickly before I continue, who am I? That's me, Ndabazezwe. Where I'm from, Zap Factory, and what I'm pitching today. Charles would be proud, eh? Paper. Super Shopper, basically, what happens is once you've loaded your grocery list, right? Unlike the price comparison apps that you get today, it's not about finding the cheapest product. It's not about finding the millions of products on the internet. We deal only with brick and mortar retail stores, allowing you to find your products in a store that's close to you, allowing you also to define what's important to you. You know, whether you want the high-grade products, you want Woolworths products, you want the cheapest products, do you want to get your things cheaper because of a bulk discount? Super Shopper is a product locator. Myself, as someone who used to sell products, it became really hard to tell people where the closest store to them was to find my product. Once my product is loaded in there, they just put it in there and the app will tell them where to find my product. Super Shopper is the grocery list optimizer. You load your grocery list, you tell the grocery list what's important to you. Are you looking for only way-less products? Are you looking for only halal products? It shows you where to get those products close to you. Super Shopper is a social shopping app. If you're in a stokvel, in a household, if you're getting married, you get to create a shopping list and share it with people. Already.